Hello, and welcome to Label Insight training for the Publish platform. Now to get started, I want to draw your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you will notice that we have 2,553 products available to us within Publish. Now this includes both published pages and unpublished pages. Here in our list view, you can see all the products available. We like to think of this list view very similar to Excel. Customers have the ability to sort and rearrange column headings, as well as sort and filter within a particular column. Now I want to point out another cool feature. If there are too many columns or you want to add or remove, you have the ability to do so by checking or unchecking whichever columns you want in your view. You also have the ability to view this list of products in a thumbnail view. The thumbnail view allows a little bit more visibility into the thumbnails as well as product details. Now let's go back to our list view and go into a product. Here we have the product page for Publish. Now I want to get started on the Nutrition tab. We like to think of this as a Word document that is completely editable. So I want to point out a few features. You have the ability to expand the image module and call up either a package flat or a marketing image. We can zoom in and load high-res images to compare with the data that's on the left-hand side of the screen. Across the top, we have other features such as the timeline, which will show you the history of the product within Publish. We also have the change log, which will show the changes that have been made to this version of the product by users within the platform, as well as the Smart Label preview page, which will allow you the ability to see what customers will see on their Smart Label pages. This preview page is completely interactable. You can click into ingredients, search through any tabs, and see what edits you've made and how they will be displayed to the end consumer. We also have identifiers. Now here live both the Label Insight ID as well as the UPC for this product. Customers also have the ability to provide their own unique identifier when they onboard their products. They will have the ability to check an option that indicates that there are unique identifiers within the file name. Now let's go ahead and look at the data for this product. I'm simply going to compare the data that's visible within the platform with what is on pack. So if we look at calories, it appears that there are 100 calories per serving in this product. And as you can see, there's been 100 calories per serving recorded within Smart Label. So this data point would be considered correct. However, if you do come across a discrepancy, you have the ability to click into any field and make a change. Once that change has been made, you can either save or cancel. In the Ingredients tab, we see all ingredients parsed out as according to how they're listed on pack. Here we can see that organic soybean oil is the very first ingredient, followed by water and organic whole eggs. This list will provide both the ingredient as well as the ingredient description. Users will have the ability to delete an ingredient or simply reorder them. By clicking and dragging, you can reorder the ingredients to match what is on pack. You also have the ability to add additional information to ingredients. We've seen customers take advantage of this and provide an additional level of transparency with their consumers. You have the option to add growing method, country of origin, geographical source, or an ingredient function. Now let's take a look at the Allergens tab. On the Allergens tab, you will find the 8 major allergens that will display on Smart Label pages. For this particular product, it looks that eggs are present, and users have the ability to change the presence level. You can either select Contains, May Contain, Shared Equipment, or Shared Facility. If I would like to remove this allergen from showing on the Smart Label page, I also have the option to do that. Below the explanation for the egg allergen, you will see that we're showing culprit ingredients. So the culprit ingredients list is pulled directly from the ingredient deck that you see on the right-hand side of the screen. This will allow users to indicate which ingredient is triggering the allergen above. You have the ability to delete or add any culprit ingredients. Now let's look at the Other Informations tab. Within this tab, you will notice that we have many different options. Claims is where marketing claims will live, certifications, GMO disclosure, health and safety, product instructions, and sustainability. All of these sections operate in the same manner. If I click in, I will have a claims heading as well as a claims description. Both of these fields are editable. I also have the ability to add a new claim. Now let's take a look at one more section. How about GMO disclosures? It looks here as though this product is making a GMO disclosure. You can see the logo, as well as the disclosure heading and the disclosure language. You also have the ability to add any other additional resources or links that you would like to share with your consumer. On the last tab is the company and brand information. Now this information is usually passed on to Label Insight ahead of time as a global decision. This information will display on all products within Publish. Things such as the contact information, phone number, and any other additional URLs or links that are important to your company. You can add a URL or simply reorder them. Once you have finished your review, if you are working with a team, you can utilize the thumbs up or thumbs down. If I am complete and there's no additional review needed on my end, I can simply go in and give this a thumbs up and provide a comment to my team saying, all finished, and approve. If I want more time to look at the product, I can give a thumbs down, indicating to my team that I have not completed my review. If everything looks okay, to publish the page, you simply press Publish. Now you will notice that before the page goes live, we're informed that 20 changes have been made since this product was last published. This would be a good time to go back to that change log and ensure that you understand all the changes that will be pushed live. If I'm okay with these changes going live, I can go ahead and select Go Live. If not, I can continue working on the product. Now, at any time, if you have questions regarding the platform or you run into any issues, please notice that you will always have this help button available in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This help guide provides a wealth of different articles, FAQs, and the ability to contact our support team directly. Submit a ticket, provide a description, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once you have published the page, you can come back to your list view and continue working. The very last step in the process is to send a report to the GMA. Once I have published all my pages, in order to get the pages live on smartlabel.org, we will need to select this option of Export as a GMA report. You will also have the ability to export the product list as a CSV. Both of these reports will send an email file. Go into your inbox, open up the GMA report that has been sent, and it's as simple as forwarding it to your contact at the GMA. No changes will be necessary to the file, and the contact for the GMA will be within the email itself. Thank you. I hope that you found this training helpful, and we look forward to seeing you on the platform.